Hi guys, it's Tony here from Signal Speed. About an hour ago, I sent a signal out for the Euro GBP 0.8518 on a put. Now it's just come back up to that mark here. We're hitting this resistance again. We're just going to jump over to the Euro GBP and we're going to place a put. As we can see, it's just reaching that peak now, and hopefully we can get in on time on that. So yeah, it's just not purchased that for me. It's just creeping up a little bit more as it's coming back down. We're going to place that put. Looks like that one's placed for me. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, basically what we're looking for is this heavy resistance line. It's found here. It just bounced up to this line several times and just come back down on itself. As you can see, it's just broken past this resistance line here now, but I think we caught that just in time. This must be this line here that is just caught on this trade, and we've managed to just keep that in the money there. So luckily, this will come back down. By the looks of this chart, this is going to shoot back down again on its next update. This is a historic chart, so only updates every 1 minute. So as you can see, bosh, there we go, it's come back down again, and that's what we caught at the top of this peak. Now all we're doing here is just playing with this sort of resistance line here. We caught it just as it was spiking up, and obviously if you do see it spiking up, as it starts turning, as it's turning back on its other direction, that's when you want to place a trade. So the actual strike rate, you want to get it as close as that, but obviously, use a bit of judgment there. If it is sort of climbing past it, just hang on, let it come back down, and then that's when you want to be placing that trade in the opposite direction. Now, I sent this signal about an hour ago, and that was just ahead of the construction PMI data coming out of the UK. Now, as a result of that, we had this downward trend. It was negative for the Great British Pound, but it still managed to come back down, and it hit this support line here. So I sent out another signal on that group just to say there's a possible call to be made here. Okay, so you're basically going to be watching it, just play it in between these lines, and as it's sort of coming back down, you place puts. As it hit this line, you want to be placing a call. There's plenty of opportunities to trade there with the Great British Pound. Now, also, I sent a link out yesterday in a group for a new trading platform called Dawida. Now, this is quite interesting to me. It's SISEC regulated, which is also always a bonus. There's no brokers. You're trading directly with other traders. It's 100% payout, so you earn 100% on successful trades. And the way that works out is, in order to place that trade, there has to be someone else on the other side placing the opposite trade. So if you're placing a call on a Euro Great British Pound, someone else will be placing a put. In theory, that's where that money is coming from. So, like I say, you get 100% payouts. I do believe when you trade, say you're trading a $1 trade, there'll be like a 5 cents fee on that, so it'd be $1.05. Now 5 cents will go to the trading platform, and that's how they make their money. So it seems quite interesting. Like I say, I'm definitely going to sign up to this and have a play around. They do offer a $500 demo account as well, so you can get used to the trading platform before you fund anything, and just get your head around it, really. So it looks good. So yeah, just going back to option bot, it does seem to just broken past this resistance line again. Like I say, it has done this previously and then come straight back down. And we've got a lot of data coming out of Great Britain today. If we flick onto an economic calendar, there is one in the option bot, but if you don't have option bot, then I suggest using one of these. Now, there's a lot of data coming out of the Great British Pound at the moment. In another couple of hours or so, we should see quite a bit of action around there. As long as it's not below forecast, it should sort of keep the Great British Pound nice and stable today. So that should give you plenty of trading opportunities. Now, this option bot, someone was asking me in the group that how I spot these signals, and basically, I use this system, the option bot system, and basically it just gives you a good view of what's going on in the markets at the time. You can get a day view, which shows sort of the last 12 hours. You get a 3-day view and a 1-month view. So, for example, this morning, check out the Great British Pound Euro, or the Euro Great British Pound. I can clearly see there's been resistance here. It doesn't like going past this mark, and there's not much news coming out which suggests that it would do. you would need the euro would need some really positive data to really gain any momentum there. So far, it's not been a great. So you've got a little bit of data coming out of Europe this morning, but nothing really to push it past. Now, the core construction PMI was negative, which is why I say it's been a bit of this volatile movement here. Just had a bit of a dip, but as you can see, it's gone no further than the 0.8508 mark. So like I say, just keep an eye on that. Just bouncing between both of them. Place call, put, depending on which way it's heading at that direction at that time, and hopefully you should get yourself some wins there. It's just a bit of a patience game, really, and allowing it to get to that position. So yeah, guys, the signals group is growing by the day. There's a couple of you still in the waiting list. I need your account numbers before you can get access. So contact me. It's Tony@signalsfeed.com. If you want to email me, I've already sent a couple of emails and got in touch with a couple of you and got you access right away. So let us resolve that for you so you can get involved with these signals. So far, a lot of people earning some money out of them. So it's links down below, signalsfeed.com. Put some more links in the description for this Dawida trading platform for you to have a look at. And also check out our other videos and subscribe to this channel because we're updating this channel very regularly with a lot of our signals that we're trading. And we want to teach you how we're doing this so you can be able to do this yourself ultimately. So yeah, check it out, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.